MultiCut tool in Maya. Shift right mouse button. This is going to allow you to create custom edge loops by creating new vertices wherever you want. And then once you're done, you can click W or enter. Things you need to know about the MultiCut tool is that if you click and hold shift, then it's going to allow you to place those vertices on percentage increments. So let's say 10% here, and then you can connect this with 60% here. Hit W. If you want to change those increments, you can double click on the MultiCut tool, and then you can change those to maybe 20%. This way you can go here by clicking and holding shift, 20%, 20%, and so on and so forth. Another thing is that once you are creating a vertex to create that custom edge loop, if you click and hold Control before you click that vertex, you can see here that it's going to show you that you can create edge loops. Now combine that with what I previously mentioned. So if you click and hold Control and then click and hold Shift, it's going to allow you to place those subdivisions on increments that you have control over their percentage by double clicking here and changing that percentage as well. Next, I want to talk about something that looks funny and also interesting. If you start a vertex and then after that you click and hold Control and Shift, it's going to give you 90 degrees angle. Once you're done, you hit W. Another use of the Control and Shift, let's say for instance you have a case like this, and if I go to the MultiCut tool and I create this segment here, when I go and start the MultiCut tool from here, if I click and hold Control and Shift, now it's going to give me this option here, but as soon as I get to that edge, it's going to give me two different options. And now it's time for the two secrets I have for you for the MultiCut tool. The first one is if you click outside the object, left mouse button, you go all the way wherever you want and hit W, it's going to slice it all the way. Very interesting. Here's another one. And here's another one. If I click the left mouse button and then I hold the shift, it's going to go in certain degrees. Bonus feature. Oftentimes the MultiCut tool is gonna glitch on the mouse cursor. So you can see it shows on the cursor here that it is a MultiCut, but it's actually just the regular selection tool. So in that case, unfortunately, you're gonna have to go and shift right mouse button MultiCut and then hit W. And now it is cured. And lastly, one of the things that is very commonly unknown about the MultiCut tool. You can literally go anywhere you want, like this. You can literally stop anywhere you want, like here, and here, and here. W. Believe it or not.